Okay guys, today we're going to be spraying clear coat on this car. We're getting ready to put the first coat of clear on it. Now you want the first coat of your clear coat to go on quite fast and light. You don't want to take the time to build it up because basically this is kind of like a tack coat. You want your second coat to bond to it because it will go on usually a medium heavy coat. So let's get the first coat started. I don't know then. There's nothing straight with it. Yeah, why can't we do that though? Huh? Yeah, look good, Tim. Hose. What are you talking about? little bugs and insects. And the first spray gun we had was the starting to drip, so we didn't use it, so we used the old gun that we had, and it's put a lot of orange peel in the roof, like tons of it. But we're gonna sand the whole car back down and re-clear it. It's got 2 coats on it now, so that's even better, because most people sometimes do sand between the coats of clear. It gives you a smoother finish, and that is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna sand the car, the clear coat down smooth, and clean it up all nice, make it all pretty, and then shoot another, probably 2 more coats of clear, which will make 4 coats on this car. Then cut and buff it, and it should turn out great. She's already looking pretty damn good. Man, probably could cut and buff it, but I'd rather just go ahead and sand this clear coat smooth, and then lay some more clear on top of it, just because I want a smoother finish. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on this Mustang. Now subscribe to the channel and keep all up to date on it. We will be sanding this Mustang between the 2 coats of clear that we just did, and putting more clear coat on it to work out some of the spots that is in it that I was telling you about. It seems this Mustang has been a battle. It's been a battle ever since it became one of our projects. Well, we see how it turns out. It's all new. New door panels, new quarter panels, new floorboards, new structure, new motor, new transmission. Now we're on to paint. Fun. So, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. And until the next video, I'll see you there.